Well, police officers are out on the roadway all day, every day, looking for vehicles to pull over. So an officer might stop you for some basic traffic violation, or if a vehicle's weaving all over the roadway. But once you're stopped, if you've had even one drink, it's very likely that that officer is going to be able to smell it immediately when you roll down the window. And if that officer smells alcohol, that means that you're getting out of that car and the officer is going to investigate you for a DWI. So the important things to know at that moment, most important, is that you have a constitutional right to remain silent. So when the officer says, "Hey, are you coming from the bar?" or "How much have you had to drink?" you do not have to answer those questions. You don't need to give the police incriminating information about yourself. Secondly, the officer is going to ask you to go through a series of field sobriety tests. And most of those tests you are under no obligation to complete. So if the officer says, "Hey, follow my finger," or "walk on this line," or "stand on one leg," you don't have to do those tests. Just respectfully say, "Officer, I'd rather not do that test." But it's important to recognize that once they have that handheld breathalyzer that they put in your face, if you don't blow into that one, it's going to mean an automatic arrest. That officer is going to definitely bring you back to the police station. Once you are under arrest, you can expect to get back to the police station. You'll be sat down and read a formal advisory, and the officer will ask you if you'll take a blood, breath, or urine test. At that point, Minnesota law requires you to take that formal test. If you don't take it, you'll be considered to have refused the test, which gets you charged with an even more serious crime. All sorts of bad things happen.